Hi, I'm Lauren Locke. I'm an attorney in Atlanta. Today I'm talking about getting your EB1A I-140 petition approved if you live abroad. Um, it puts you in the best category. The EB1 will get you a green card faster than any other employment-based category. So when your I-140 is approved, that's a great sign. You're on your way. It does not mean that you get to work and live in the U.S. right now. You cannot work and live in the U.S. until your immigrant visa is issued to you. And for a lot of people, there will be a backlog between when your I-140 is approved and when you're actually allowed to move forward with your green card case. So that's not because of anything you did other than the date that was established as your priority date. Your I-140 filing date, the date that it got accepted by USCIS, becomes your priority date, but it only becomes your priority date once your I-140 petition is approved. Or if you're on the labor certification route, then actually that date that your labor certification application was approved becomes your priority date, but not until first the labor certification application is approved and then the I-140 petition is approved. That nails in your priority date, and your priority date guides when you can move to the final step. If you're overseas, you will process at a U.S. consulate or embassy in your home country or another country that will accept you. So maybe you have multiple passports, or maybe you're a citizen of one country and a resident of another, or maybe there is some reason that your home country U.S. consulate is not available to you, which can happen because of disruption due to war, for example. There'll be some other consulate that's designated to see people from your country. Or sometimes you could get special permission to go somewhere for special reasons that are about you and your circumstances. But in general, when it's your turn, you're going to go through the National Visa Center. You are going to start communicating with your consulate. When they say that you're documentarily qualified, they're going to invite you to an interview. Typically, after your immigrant interview, it's not usually as fast as a non-immigrant visa interview process where you get your passport back with your new visa inside, but it usually is pretty fast. So usually don't buy your plane ticket, but it usually is fast after your interview, which is really assessing whether you are eligible to come into the U.S. So USCIS has already decided, okay, on the grounds of the job offer, you're good. On the grounds of, are you qualified to do this I-140 petition job? They already thought about that. The immigrant visa, they're thinking, is there a reason that you are not eligible to come into the U.S.? Is it perhaps a past immigration violation, a criminal issue, something you admit on your form or in the interview that makes you ineligible, or maybe something you don't admit and then you lie about it and that's a misrepresentation. Reasons like that can make you ineligible, but it's not going to be, because your credentials aren't lofty enough. It's going to be something personal to you that makes you not able to get a green card if you don't get it. If you do get the immigrant visa, you'll be given a special immigrant visa that lets you in one time within the next couple of months. Once you come in, set foot, and get admitted in the U.S., then congratulations, you are a lawful permanent resident. Thanks.